Hello, viewers. Welcome back. And as the winter is set in, and the weatherman has predicted that it's going to be very cold for the next couple of weeks here. It's snowing all around in the north, so we specially come with this edition. We've come. I hope you enjoy a hot chocolate with coffee or hot chocolate, and also enjoy our products because this is going to be a winter sale. There are going to be sweatshirts. There are going to be 3/4 zippers, hoodies at low prices, which is a winter sale. So that's a bonanza for you to enjoy this winter season. And thank you very much, all the viewers in the past. Even Sale of Sale did very well. The new edition, everything, we got your support. इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हम दोनों की तरफ से, पूरे टीम की तरफ से, इनफैक्ट मृदुल की तरफ से. All three of us are really indebted to all the customers who are watching us and showering in their love and blessings. So thank you from our side. This is another, it's going to be like crazy pricing for this time, and it's the only way that we can thank you back. So we begin this season. It's going to be a sale, so we request you quickly to send us your screenshots. And sizes is going to be, we're just going to assume the size and tell you. We're not going to measure. आप हमें screenshots भेजिए because it's going to be a sale. So जल्दी से बिक जाता है. Sale normally lasts 1 or 2 days. Sale of Sale was exceptional. It was in 4 hours we sold out everything. So that thanks to all the viewers once again. But this normally a sale lasts about 2 days, and the new collection lasts about 4 to 5 days. So we begin. It's going to be first come first basis. Quickly send us your screenshots. Do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And we start off. This is a lightweight
sweatshirt.
Yeah, it's a lightweight sweatshirt. Small. Good enough till 25 degrees, 25, 28 degrees, small. All authentic products, all European and American labels. Okay, so
Size 40, 42.
Yeah, 40, 42, good enough for 40, 42. Pawan will disclose the price.
9.99.
9.99. So viewers, 9.99, 999.
9.99.
We've opened the sale. The beginning is going to be 9.99. And so here, 9.99 again. All these articles, ये UK का label है. You can see the lovely fleece. Just 9.99. This looks like a 42.
42.
So lovely winter articles, clean, fresh. French label. 3/4 zipper. All-time low price, Pawan.
9.99.
9.99. So enjoy this winter season with lovely branded clothing, authentic,
Size 40, 41.
international brands. You can see the lovely zipper here. And if we see, they're all international labels, European labels, and you can see the detailing. Lovely denim texture here in between, and knitted all around. It's got a flap on the shoulders, 2 flaps on the shoulders. The reason why we're coming out with this crazy price is just a way to thank all viewers. Quickly order.
9.99.
Size medium likha hai.
Size medium.
9.99. It's a crazy price. Sale hai. So we request new customers also to join us. Send us your screenshots, please. It's a crazy price.
44,
You can see the label
46.
there. ये देखिए. Soft fleece, lovely design. It's got this parachute material inside. So crazy styling, crazy fabric, international brands. Almost $100 plus, $100 to $150.
ये neat and clean piece है.
Neat and clean pieces हैं.
9.99.
And the best part is ये last season के नहीं है, इसी season के हैं. ये देखिए. Lovely 3/4 zipper, a lovely mustard color.
44, 46.
Could be a 44. That's the assumption. Screenshot भेजिए. We'll send you the
9.99.
measurement. Now a lovely zipper, thin, good enough till 25 degrees.
44,
And
46.
नहीं Pawan, I think this should
44.
be a medium.
44.
44. It's a 44. Could be a 44 max. So lovely zipper, thin.
44.
Yeah. Okay, a knitted brown, chocolate brown.
42, 44.
Lovely high neck there. You can see. See the zip. It doesn't have a label. Surplus ka hai article. So fantastic piece there. And lovely 2 pockets. And the wash, it may look dull, but the wash is like that. It's a stone wash. You can see the design on the sleeve. It's a zipper sweater, $9.99, international brand, size 42 plus, because it's got stretch, है ना?
Yes.
इसमें knitted में stretch होता है. Lovely design and pattern. Okay. Sorry viewers, this is actually $11.99. गलती से ये आ गया $9.99 के pile में. We will show you $11.99 वाले articles a bit later. First we are showing you $9.99.
Size
ये
40,
side में रख
41.
दीजिए उसके साथ, है ना? वो chair पे. Okay, the next article here, ये देखिए. Lovely fleece collars. So very sporty, which means you can wear it for sports, anything, squash, tennis, golf,
42,
whatever.
42.
Yeah, 41, 42, not a very big size. Jaldi se order kariye. It's a sale happening here. $9.99, neat and clean, fresh, current articles के. ये देखिए.
42.
This is a summer article. Very soft cotton, silky. It feels silky. And ये देखिए. Beautiful article. You can see there, summer article till 40-45 degrees. ये कहीं भी चल सकता है. It's got these kangaroo pockets divided with the zip in between. A lovely maroon color. Not a very big size, Pawan. I think 42.
42. 9.99.
ये देखिए. Thin sweatshirt, good enough till 25 degrees. Not a very big size. Looks like a 42 plus.
42.
Yeah. And it's got this lovely thread work here on the side. It's got this work. And it's got this embroidery right in the middle of the chest. So you can see the factory is mutilated. Everything. But a lovely color there. A lovely blue. Viewers, very lightweight. And this is a jacket style. It's got this lovely fleece inside. If you talk about the label, it's from UK or Europe. And very nice, warm. And an easy zip there. So very stylish. You can see them. These two drawstrings also have support here. So that, you know, they don't... so detailing Kia wired so that it doesn't go into the... into the hood. And पीछे से plain है. So this looks like a 42 plus, 42, 44.
42,
Yeah.
42.
So you can get this very soft and warm article for $9.99 pounds. So it's
$9.99.
got this lovely kangaroo pockets. Yeah?
Kangaroo pocket, yes.
Very nice and warm. Okay, some here this is it's got the stone wash finish here or the garment dye effect, and that is there on the actual product. It's an international label,
40,
luxury label. It's a luxury label, and you get it for $9.99. It's not a very big size. One size बता दीजिए. I
Size
think
42, 44.
Yeah. And this zip, you know, with candle wax it can go. It's probably just 1 season old.
9.99.
With candle wax, that zip can be loosened up a little bit. Greased up. Sorry, greased up. Okay. Lovely red zip there with a high neck. And that's a large. And this dull effect is part of the brand. And most of these bigger labels do this dull effect. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये पड़े पड़े ये fade हो रहा है or something. It's the dull effect. Okay, so this is a 42, 44.
42, 44.
44. So look at the pattern on the hood. These are all international labels above close to 20,000 in Indian currency. 20,000 plus. So you can get them for flat $9.99.
9.99.
Quickly you can send us your orders. And this particular article, this is a bigger size. Good enough till 24, 22, 24 degrees. You can see the label's been cut. Very light. It's got this 2 pocket and it's got this for comfort and longevity. They've got 2 zips.
Size 46, 48.
Okay, viewers. Now this is also thin. It's not thick. Thin fabric till 22 degrees. देखिए thin है. And the size mentioned here at the back 11 L. Sorry.
44, 46. 9.99.
Instead of $9.99, please send us screenshots so that we can. It's going to be on first come first basis because ये sale है. It's a reduced price sale. ये देखिए the lovely embroidery. And no defect free हैं सारे. Most of them, I would say 80 to 90% are इसी season के हैं, which means they have been
999.
जी, they have been procured within a month. ये देखिए
46, 48.
999.
999.
Please grab them this winter. This is a sale going on and at a very nice price. So you're getting very nice pricing and lovely product as well. This oversized drop shoulder article, size mentioned is small.
पर ये है 44,
नहीं।
46.
नहीं, ये ज़्यादा है पावन. I think it should be 48.
48.
It's a big and tall article for someone really tall. US में ऐसे big sizes आते हैं. The guess with this red mesh at the back is for big and tall people. So this is estimated to be about a 48. And you can quickly order.
999.
पीछे दरवाजा. Charcoal grey article with these patchwork, and it's a lovely cotton knit sweater, and it's a bigger size, 46, 48, 999. It's a sale going on. Quickly send us your screenshots. The next article, जल्दी दिखाएंगे हम आपको. This is also a big size, 48, around 48,
46.
but a wonderful piece, knitted polo, luxury label, a lovely creamish color, knitted fabric.
999.
999. You can see the sports material, water resist,
46, 48.
46, 48. It's at an all-time low price. सिर्फ 999.
99.
जल्दी से order करें. ये सारे fresh new articles are going for a all-time low price. This is a winter bonanza sale going on. ये देखिए. This German label.
4850.
4850. Pawan's measured it. He's confident.
999.
Okay. Another article. ये पता है पवन? Double XL. ये भी 46, 48.
44, 50, 52, 50.
50, 52.
Yes.
Okay. He seems confident. I think he's measured it for some customer. Up to 25 degrees. It's not very warm. Some articles are like
999.
pre-winter and some are winter. So this lovely electric blue, shocking blue, label from
46,
Europe.
48.
46, 48,
Yeah.
jacket style, sweat,
Jacket style.
and with this lovely stone wash on it. And it's got embroidery at the back. ये देखिए. It's got this beautiful embroidery on the shoulder. And
999.
just for 999. Okay, this dry fit piece,
Dry fit material.
jacket style, dry fit, fabric, 2 pockets, high neck. Good enough
48.
till 28 degrees. Again, a summer
46,
article.
48. 899.
Sports article rather.
999.
Can be worn in light summers also. Okay. This particular piece, fleece, polyester fleece, has got this lovely cartoon work right in front. Unfortunately, a big size.
48,
It's got a
50.
kangaroo
Size.
pocket. Zip here. You can see there. You can see the label there. You can see the patch here. It's a US label. Creamy, dusty label. That's how it comes. That's part of their look. With tag and everything. It's a big size. Pawan, 4850.
48, 50.
Please, it's got some work at the back. पीछे दिखाइए एक बार viewers को. Again 999. You can quickly order
999.
them. Unfortunately, just one big size.
999.
999. Platinum Fubu is what it is. You can see. Okay. This German brand. This goes at an all-time low price.
46, 48.
46, 48 with this lovely word. So viewers, now we're through with the sweatshirts and zippers and 3/4 zippers and hoodies and a couple of sweaters. Now the lowers, just a few handful of sweat lowers, large shipment pack condition. You can see there. French terry is the fabric. Neat and clean shipment pack condition. ये अभी new article है. And you can see here. So this is like up to 25 degrees. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत गर्म है. Lovely big pockets. It doesn't have a zip. And it's a jogger style. And the waist is good enough for Pawan 34, 34, max 36. 34, 36. इनमें the best part is knitted fabric है तो 4-5 इंच का stretch रहता है. Another summer article. So they are going for crazy price. It's a fantastic product. Good enough till 35, 40, 45 degrees. बहुत light है. ये summer lower है. Medium. Good enough for 34, 32, 34. Max 35 degrees. 35 waist, sorry. And it's got these cross pockets. ये देखिए, 2 cross pockets. It's got this loop. So it's a must grab article.
सर ये
In
भी
fact,
999
बिल्कुल सब 999
999
ये सेल हो
ये
रहा
भी
है.
कर
And we would like to thank our customers specially. ये पवन एक तरीका है हमें उनको धन्यवाद करने का कि उन्होंने हमें हमेशा सपोर्ट किया है. ये देखिए, lovely drawstring, the label is cut, a lovely maroon
36,
color.
38
And इसमें पवन साइड में ये zips भी है
जी,
और
जी,
पीछे पॉकेट पे भी दिखा
पीछे
क्रेजी आर्टिकल्स जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. वेस्ट आई थिंक 36 है.
36
36 लेंथ इंटरनेशनल है तो लेंथ इसके पूरे मिलेंगे. अनदर लवली आर्टिकल, दिस इज सुपर लग्जरी आर्टिकल जिनके करेंसी कन्वर्ट करने पे दे आर ओवर 20,000. सो यू कैन सी दैट label has been cut, but you can see there the back also in focus. So it's a lovely black, and once again we'll show you. Yeah, there, and it's got this push button. Yeah, and it's a fantastic thing. And this is the standard mark at the back and near the pocket.
32,
Length पूरा है.
34.
It's a ash gray black, which means हल्का सा dull effect दिया है. And it's got this
size
at the
medium
bottom. Medium, good enough for 32, 34 waist.
999
Only 999. जल्दी से grab करिए. पवन ये दिखाइए जल्दी जल्दी. Louis.
ये भी सेम उसी का कलर है.
They're slightly
36,
crushed
38.
because they are in sacks. We've just opened them from sacks, and that's the reason they're crushed. Otherwise, these pieces are fantastic. You can see the length is pura hai for 6 feet plus and bigger size. Piche dikha diye? Yeah. So nice pieces. Quickly grab them. 999.
999
Okay, this one there's another bigger article. So 32, 34, 36 in this black.
Yeah.
999.
999
And it's the fabric. If we talk about the fabric, French terry. Maximum 20-22 degrees के लिए comfortable है 25 degrees तक. Okay, so this article, they are slightly crushed because they are out from the bags. Like I said, all they need is ironing. That's it, nothing else.
36,
Please do not mistake
38.
them for used pieces or something like that. We don't sell anything over here. That's our promise to our customers, which is
999
worn or thrift or used or fake or dirty. So we don't believe in those things. ये देखिए, this is another article which is
36 38
36,
999
ये छोटा साइज है, ये भी दिखा दीजिए. So this is lovely. I think 32, 34.
32 34 999
Only 999.
only 999
And the last 2 pieces coming up, last 3 pieces. I think this is 34, है ना? 34, 36.
34
In these
36,
joggers.
38 को भी
Again,
जा रहा है.
luxury label. All they need is a drawstring, which can be arranged from the market. It's a crazy price.
2 pocket
999.
999
Bus. I think one more piece here. Yeah. This one. Very lightweight. Okay, viewers. Now this category, we just got 2 categories. One is 999 pound, and the other one that we are going to show you about 30-35 pieces only, very limited stock. These on our shelves are for like above 2000 range, 2000 to 2500 और 2800 के रेंज में है, जो हम आपको 1199 में दे रहे हैं. So they are neat and clean, fresh pieces. It's just a way of thanking, once again, I keep repeating this, thanking the online customers from wherever you are. Thank you very much for supporting us always. So this is again at a reduced price, 1199. So the last lot for the sale tonight. Beautiful, neat and clean pieces. You can see the lovely hoodie, cross pocket, kangaroo pockets you call them. And the label might be chopped off by the factory, but you can see neat and clean, fresh pieces, beautiful stuff. Not a very big size, I think 40-41, maybe 40-41, I know. It's not a very big size. Size वैसे तो यहाँ लिखा होना चाहिए. ये देखिए, ये medium है. So the labels have been chopped off. But 40-42 size, lovely red, and French terry fabric, not very warm. Now this article is warm. It won't work down in the south. Because it's got this lovely warm blanket sort of a feeling inside, and you see there, and this is a stone wash. So if you see the variation in the articles here, this is part of the style. It is not a reject. So it's got white or beige or grey. That's a blend. That's the wash on the fabric. Crazy new article. Size looks like a 46-48, and you're getting it for 1199. So all these are a grab as well. 1199. 1199. जल्दी से screenshot भेजिए. Now this looks very nice. It's got a very official look to it. You can see the zip वगैरह सब neat and clean. Current shipments के हैं. We've never shown this before. We've just gotten these articles, put it on the rack, and we thought we'd share this with you. So a lovely logo there, a lovely ash grey, and good enough till 22 to 25 degrees also. So not very thick fabric.
48.
46, 48.
1190.
Okay, this label, Orange Theory. Unheard of label. Lovely fabric. Big size. You can check this out.
46, 48.
A lovely brand from the United States. Lovely work there in the middle of the chest.
1199.
Only 1199. Crazy fabric, lovely grey color, and good enough till 24-25 degrees, which makes it sellable anywhere in India. Okay, this is also not very thick, French terry, but a bigger size. All 1199.
1199. 46, 48.
This baseball style sweatshirt also goes at a low price for 1199.
1199. 46, 48. Size.
Okay, this is a big size, and lovely cream color. All fresh new
46,
pieces.
48.
1199.
1199.
1199. Order भेजिए अपने. Please request you first come first basis. This is a medium, a lovely grey, charcoal grey.
42.
Fresh
44.
pieces है ये. Shipments to the US. Kangaroo pocket. Thin fabric. If we talk about the fabric, ये देखिए French terry. French terry means cooler fabric. It's not very warm.
1199.
Okay, this article is pretty nice. We sold all the smaller sizes at a much bigger higher price.
48.
And the lucky customer can grab this. This is a mistake by the factory, but this is actually that's the label there, and it's got a 3/4 zipper there, and the best part is the push buttons on the sleeve. Yeah. So that the click of this sounds very
1199.
nice, and you can see that. So a big size, Pawan, a lovely piece. I think till 25 degrees. है ना? बहुत है. Okay. Lovely green,
44.
olive, dark olive green. This lovely embroidery work, and it's got the kangaroo pockets, and it's got this bird on the sleeve. And it's not a very big size. Looks like a 42, 44.
42, 44.
जल्दी से order करिए.
1199.
Neat and clean, fresh pieces. ये देखिए, this is a very unusual color. It's like a pista green, a light color.
46.
Pastel, I would say. Pastel color. It's a very pastel color and very nice, unique.
44, 46. 1199.
ये देखिए, this is a small size, छोटा
Small.
size है.
42.
So lots of, that's a medium, yeah. Looks like a 42, 43.
42,
And a
43.
lovely high neck with this. You can see everything is authentic about it, beautiful about it. Neat and clean, spotless, I would say. कहीं भी आपको, you will not find a little mark also on this.
1199.
Or even a dust stain. You can see the freshness coming out of these pieces. Beautiful, lovely
42,
blue.
44.
And there it is. You can see it's a self-colored logo there. And
1199.
only 11.99. Okay, this piece, this is a very nice, extraordinary piece. There's a lot of detailing on this. So, yeah. Like they say, the beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. I'm sure some viewers who are watching this will appreciate a lot of work on it. And this beautiful patch running down from the
46,
chest to the
48.
bottom. You can see
Size.
this. बहुत काम किया हुआ है इसमें. Almost 150 to 180 euros for this article. And look at this cross mark here. This diagonal stitching here. And the pocket here. So very classy thing. And it is not a very big size. If we see, it's an extra large, which is a 44, 46, like Pawan said, rightly said. So you can quickly order this product. Viewers, the cherry on the cake tonight is we are offering some jackets also, Pawan. Same price.
Same price.
11.99. 1199. So that's just some limited jackets. Now the best part of this is it's half sweatshirt and it's half, it's got duck feather inside. So very light duck feather. ये feel करके बताइए viewers को कैसा लग रहा है? It's soft.
Soft.
It's like the
Silky.
fur feeling आ रहा है अंदर. And the best part is this is very very light. And ये देखिए easy zipper है. And it's a classic style. It's a half jacket and half sweatshirt. So you get this for 11.99. Same price we're giving
Same
you. Some
price.
jackets at crazy prices. It's very stylish. Again, brand from Europe. None of them are domestic or local items. And all new pieces. These are not last year stuff. This is all new, fresh pieces. Now this looks like a bigger size, Pawan. This looks like probably a 46.
46.
And it's a thick wind cheater,
Wind
which
cheater.
cheats the wind, blocks the wind.
Hold
And
the
it's
fuck.
got this lovely baseball stripe there, a lovely zip here,
Full zipper है ये.
and a lovely bright color. And it's got this dry fit coating inside, and it's got lovely pockets as well. You can see all the detailing according to international standards, and fantastic piece there. So bigger size, 11.99. जल्दी से order करिए. Just a handful of jackets. बहुत ही कम pieces है. Now this is again down feather. Duck feather is known as down feather, which means they are light and warm. They are extra light, warm, and very stylish. So you get this product also for 11.99. This is not a very big size.
11.99.
42 probably. All men's articles. पीछे से एक बार दिखाइए. It's got a lovely hood there, and this hood is not detachable. It's not detachable. Okay, now this is a different sort of a fabric. It's got this coating inside. You can see.
Size 42, 44.
And it's got this lovely fabric on the top. So very elegant stuff.
1199.
11.99. This looks like a big size. This is 44, 46.
44, 46.
Yeah. So what is Velcro? ये देखिए viewers, Velcro stuff here all the way down. Yeah, and it's got this. So again, brand from the UK, and bigger size.
Big size.
Yeah.
1199.
Quickly show you the other article. Now this looks a little formal. Again, lightweight, which means and warm. And it's got this detailing here inside. You देखिए, these two lovely pockets. Pocket and at the outside. And this is like a formal high neck bomber. And
42,
this looks very
44.
nice. Yeah. All 1199, 1199, जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. This is again lightweight, cameo and unusual.
इस प्राइस में शर्ट भी नहीं
Combination?
मिलती आपको कहीं से, लो प्राइस में हम दे रहे हैं आपको.
बिल्कुल, good, well said Pawan, well done, good. So ये देखिए, everything you can get, everything is intact. I don't think it has wash care. They've chopped it off. So these are all shipment surplus, neat and clean, fresh condition. I think we
42,
have
44.
sizes in this, है ना Pawan?
Yeah.
Till 44. So we've got till 44 this light jacket, bomber, sorry.
Oh.
So thank you. That's it tonight. Thank you very much. Okay, viewers, thank you. Thank you very much. It was a very short and sweet edition. I hope you liked it. For especially the customers, who are enjoying. I hope you enjoy the winter and the chilly winds here, and enjoy your hot chocolate as well. I'm sure you will once you order these articles. It'll be a good combination to wear them and enjoy your hot chocolate or a cup of coffee. So thank you very much for watching this edition, and send us screenshots, and please send your complete details with the pin code so that we can ship it as soon as possible. And like I said, they're all authentic pieces and 100% export surplus in very good condition. So thank you very much. It is a sale. I would like to remind viewers and request them to quickly send screenshots so that we can help them in a better way, because normally यही होता है कि same product का there is repeated requests from different viewers or customers across. So do like and subscribe the channel, and do send us screenshots as well, please. And last words from Pawan. I think he's progressing, and so they're good. Okay.
इस बार हमने आपको विंटर का सब कुछ दिखाया है. जैकेट भी, स्वेट शर्ट, हुडी, आप कुछ भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हो इसमें से.
Good.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, viewers. Thank you so much.